Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So today I will check the status of the brake calipers, if they are okay, and I will be installing some of the painted parts back into the engine bay. I think these are okay now, and they didn't get stuck to the paper below, so it should be fine. I will check later for areas which needs touched up. So as you can see here, the radiator mounts are missing, the lower alternator bracket is missing. I still have the top alternator bracket installed, but this will be replaced. Same thing with the hook in the rear, and the power steering top bracket. But the power steering pump is something that I have a renovation kit for, so it would be nice to renovate it, make it look pretty.
Hej då!
The alternator is removed. It's lying down there on the power steering hoses and sway bar, as well as the top alternator bracket. Here is the alternator bracket that I used, as well as the engine hoist hook, and I'm going to this. So shiny to flat, and I think it will look a lot better. And this are things that Sid sandblasted for me. So we have a few things back in the engine bay. We have the radiator mounts. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, maybe you do. Not really a perfect result, so we will see if I do something else with this. And the same goes for the top alternator bracket, but it's installed anyway, as well as the power steering bracket down there. We have the rear engine hoist hook also, and in case you missed it, the lower alternator bracket. Nothing is tight really, just in case I want to do something with the power steering pump, then I will anyway need to remove it, and if I want to do something else around the alternator, then same goes for that one. At least I have some more parts now for Sid to sandblast, so I guess she would be excited about that. Here we have the brake pad sliding brackets for the Evo calipers, and now when I have the space free on the hooks, I might as well put a coat of zinc primer on them. Here we have the tiny brackets primered and drying. That's it for this episode. Tiny bit got done at least. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.